Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this one, I'll show you how to apply customer payments in Netsuite step by step. To start, navigate to the Accept Customer uh, Payments page. This can be found under the Customers menu under Account Receivable. Right? So here you will need to enter the few details to record the payment. Like first, select the customer you are accepting payment from. Alright, and next select the appropriate accounts receivable account. If you have only one account listed, NetSuite will automatically choose this as the posting account, right? And now move to the Apply sub tab. Here's where you enter the payment amount you receive. Let me quickly go on the top. So this is how you apply the customer payment on the customer payment page. All right. So you can either manually enter the payment amount and check the auto apply box, or leave the amount blank and select specific invoices to apply the payment to. If you prefer, you can enter the discount amount for any invoice in the discount taken field. Right? Once you've entered the payment amount and applied it to the correct invoices, click Save to finalize the payment. Now, if you happen to overpay a customer, NetSuite will automatically create a customer deposit for the remaining balance. And you can always come back to apply it later. Alright. So additionally, you can manage credit memos, unapplied payments, and prepayments through the credits and deposits sub-tabs. And lastly, you can add more information such as bank account for payment or communication detail with the customers. And that's it. And if for some reason you want to repeat the steps, just go to this article here and read the full article that outlines the full steps. And that's all there is to it. See you in the next video.